The question says simplify this expression. So we have x is to the power minus 2 times y is to the power 3 over 2, x is to the power 4 times y is to the power minus 1. We do the parentheses. Okay, x to the power minus 2 times the square root of 16, x is to the power 12, y is to the power minus 4. So how do we simplify this expression? Solution. Okay, so for x to the power minus 2 times y is to the power 3 divide 2x is to the power 4, y is to the power minus 1, okay, x to the power minus 2, okay, so we multiply it by the square root, okay, of 16, x is to the power 12, y is to the power minus 4. So how do we go about this? So let's start with the parentheses. Okay, so within the parentheses we have x is to the power minus 2, y is to the power 3, but we have the value of x and the denominator as well. We have y. So let's take it together. So we can have this as y raised to the power 3. Okay, this division. Okay, divide y is to the power minus 1. Okay, over. So the value of x, we can take it together as x minus raised to the power minus 2 divide, okay, 2x is to the power 4 within the parentheses, okay, is to the power minus 2 times, okay, so for the square root of 16, we have it as square root of 16 times, we have this as the square root of x is to the power 12 times the square root of y is to the power minus 4, okay. Take it from here, okay. So for y is to the power 3 divide y is to the power minus 1. So we can easily apply the law of indices when we are dividing the same base, okay. So we pick out 1, we subtract the exponent, so we have 3 minus 1, okay, over, here we have this as x is to the power minus 2. As a result of this, okay, we have it as minus, okay, we are taking this and this together, so minus 4, so we have 2, okay, so here we have this as minus 2 times, okay, so for the square root of 16 we have to be 4 times, here we can write this as x is to the power 12, okay, x to the power half, which is this, times, so as a result of this we can write this as y is to the power minus 4, okay, x to the power half as a result of this root, okay. So when we break it down further, okay, so for this we have it as y, okay, raised to the power 3 plus 1, okay, over, here we have this as 2, which is this, it's x, so minus 2 minus 4 we have it as minus 6, okay, okay, so for 3 plus 1, so we have this as 4, okay, which is this, okay, raised to the power minus 2, okay, so times, so for 4, okay, times, so when we apply the exponent rule, so this is x, okay, this is x is to the power 6, okay, times y, so when we apply the exponent rule as well, here we have this as y is to the power minus 2, okay, okay, so as a result of this minus 2 minus at the exponents, okay, so this will interchange the position, so we have 2x is to the power 6 over, here we have this as y is to the power 4, okay, so these two will multiply, will be the new exponent on 2, so this will multiply by 2, we multiply this by 2 as well, okay, so here we have 2 square, that is 2 times 2, okay, that is 2 times 2, okay, so this x, for 6 times 2, we have it to be 12, okay, over y, so for 4 times 2, we have it to be 8, okay, so here we have this as 2 times 2 is 4, Here we have this as x raised to power 12 over, this is y raised to power 8. Okay, so when we solve this, we have it as this. So times, which is this, okay. So we have this as 4x raised to power 6. As a result of this, we have this as over y raised to power 2, okay. From here, we can combine the numerator and can combine the denominator. So to do this, we have 4x raised to power 12 times, okay. Here we have this as 4x raised to power 6 over, so for the denominator, we have this as y raised to power 8, okay, times y raised to power 2, okay. So here we have 4 times 4 to be 16. So we pick up one of the base. So we add the exponent, 12 plus 6. While we are adding, we are multiplying the same base over. Here we do the same thing. So we add the power, 8 plus 2. Okay, so when we do that, so our final answer is 16x. For 12 plus 6 is 18 over y. For 8 plus 2 is 10. So we have 16. Okay, we have 16x raised to power 18 over y raised to power 10. Thank you very much.